If you're seeing the ElevenLabs unusual activity detected problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes you can try right now to get back into your account. This issue usually happens when ElevenLabs' security system thinks your login behavior looks suspicious, and that can be caused by your internet connection, a VPN, browser data, or even the email address you used. So in the next few minutes, we'll go through the simplest step-by-step solutions, and I'll keep it easy to follow. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, switch to a mobile hotspot. Your home Wi-Fi IP address may have been flagged because another user on the network, or even your ISP's shared IP pool, triggered the security filters. By using your phone's hotspot, you give ElevenLabs a fresh connection to test, and that often resolves the problem immediately. So turn on your hotspot, disconnect from your Wi-Fi, and try signing in again. If the error disappears, then the issue was likely your network or IP address. Next, disable any VPN or proxy server you're using. ElevenLabs may block traffic that comes from masked or rotating IP addresses because those can look automated or risky. So if you have a VPN turned on, pause it completely, refresh the page, and try logging in again. The same goes for any proxy settings or browser privacy tools that may be changing your connection. If you're still getting the error, move on to clearing the site data for ElevenLabs. Open your browser settings, go to cookies and other site data and search for ElevenLabs. Then delete the ElevenLabs data from your browser. This removes old session files, corrupted cookies, and cached login information that may be triggering the warning. After that, restart your browser completely, close it all the way, open it again, sign back into your ElevenLabs account, and test it one more time. In many cases, a clean browser session is enough to fix the issue. If you're still stuck, there's one more thing to check: your email address. Stop using temporary or disposable emails because those can raise trust and verification issues with many platforms, including AI services like ElevenLabs. If possible, use a permanent, trusted email address that you control long-term. That helps improve account reliability and reduces the chance of security flags in the future. So to quickly recap, try a mobile hotspot, disable VPNs or proxies, clear ElevenLabs cookies and site data, restart your browser, and make sure you're using a real email address instead of a temporary one. These steps solve the unusual activity detected problem for many users without needing to contact support. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.